Hey everyone, today I'm going to do a review on on an unboxing of a couple of items I received today. I'm going to start with this smaller package first. I believe the Black Alien Ranger is in here. That's what I ordered, at least. Let me just get this open real quick. Probably need a scissor for this. Let me grab one. All right, there we go. Get a scissor for this. Let me get this out of here. So let me see. We have the Black Alien Ranger here. Now these are pretty rare. These were made back in the early 90s, but they're pretty hard to get. I've wanted to get these again for a long time. Some of these figures are very delicate, so you have to be careful with it. But I'll do an individual review on that figure later. And now I'm going to open up the bigger box. This has a lot of like items in it, like mainly like a lot of Power Rangers items and things like that. This has a lot of like Power Rangers stuff in it. So it's a whole bag of stuff in here. As you can see, the White Ranger flip head is there too. All right, so we have this Megazord thing. I'm not sure what this is. I don't know where that's from. Then we have the Zeo Megazord 5-inch, pretty nice. We have the Blue Centurion. This is a brand new one. My other one broke, so I kind of knew one of those. We have a random Blade Blaster. We have a White Tiger Zord that looks like it's from the Power Playback series. Then we have the Frog Ninja Zord. Okay. Then we have the Wolf Ninja Zord. And then the Bear Ninja Zord is missing his thing that goes his mouth. And this is the big reason I bought the slot, was for this special edition Automorphing White Ranger. Finally, I completed my special edition Automorphing set because of this figure. And that's my video for today. I'll do individual reviews on all these at some point. Thank you. Have a good day.